Welcome to Flawless Shoe Reviews. Now these are the brand new Asics GT-2000 version 14. They've had a major upgrade to the midsole with the new FF Blast Max cushioning that we see in the Nova Blast 5 and the Asics Glide Ride Max. So it's much more bouncy, springy, responsive cushioning than what we saw in version 13. So people were a little bit upset in the changes that they got from 12 to 13. The shoe became a lot firmer and a lot more responsive in the version 13 compared to the bouncy feel that they had in the 12. So those of you that missed the 12 will be happy with the changes that we have with this shoe. So while it feels similar to Nova Blast 5, it's a little bit firmer around the heel, and that's partially got to do with the guidance system that we associate with the GT-2000. So it still has that classic 3D guidance system with the pure gel technology in the heel, but it feels incredibly stable when you initiate contact with the ground. So we've got that broad base of support underneath the shoe, we've got nice sidewalls on the inside and the outside of the heel, and we've got this really broad forefoot with the sole flare coming out to provide extra stability when you push off during the gait cycle. Now I must say, when you're walking around, you can feel a little bit of pressure around that medial arch of the foot, just between the heel and the arch. So those of you who don't enjoy that, something to be aware of. However, when we're running in it, we didn't feel it at all, didn't feel any bite or snap on that arch, so no pressure points overall so far. So as I say, when you initiate contact with the ground, it really helps control that pronation moment, it really helps keep you stable and centered in the shoe. So excellent job by Asics overall. It's got a really nice heel bevel at the back and a nice forefoot rocker to facilitate that push-off phase of the gait cycle, so you transition smoothly from the back to the front of the shoe. I must say, an excellent job overall by Asics. They've changed the outsole rubber, so you've now got an AHAR low hardness cushioning, which still facilitates a nice amount of flex in the forefoot for those of you that enjoy it. So you've got a little bit of toe spring in the forefoot as well, and that's where your toes are just held in slight extension. That facilitates the push-off phase of the gait cycle, but if you have any sensitivity around the forefoot, you may not enjoy that. On top, we've got a new woven engineered mesh. We still have it true to size and length, and we've got plenty of space in the forefoot for your toes, and it comes in a wide version as well. You've got a really thin tongue on top that's gusseted, and lots of padding around the heel counter, and quite a stiff heel counter as well. So overall, it's an excellent upgrade to the shoe. It's a bit bouncier, a bit more responsive, and for those of you who like a springier shoe but still want that mild to moderate amount of stability, then the GT-2000 is an excellent option. The weight hasn't changed a huge amount, coming in around 273 grams for a size 9 men's US, and it's still an excellent option as a lifestyle shoe if you want to use it for standing all day, for long periods of time, or for going for long walks. It's got the classic 8mm drop with 36.5mm of cushion in the rear foot, 28.5 in the forefoot. So overall, you get a nice distribution of pressure across the foot, transitions nicely from the back to the front. When it comes to running, you can do your classic easy miles, longer distance run, marathon pace workouts in it. I actually felt it was quite good for some early stage up-tempo workouts, but the weight might just prohibit it from doing any faster race pace workouts. But if you're looking for a relatively light shoe that packs in plenty of stability but it's quite responsive, then this can be an excellent option. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of the upgrades, or if you have any questions or things that I've missed out on in the review. I'll do a comparison of the GT-2000 version 13 to this model soon, so we can see side by side how they differ. Otherwise, if you want to check out the latest prices on them, I got links in the description below. And if you found the video helpful, like and share and subscribe. It makes a massive difference to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.